The differences of English and Spanish grammar. There are so many differences between English and Spanish grammar. Now I'm going to show you only 10 differences. Here we go with the first one. An statement and a question in Spanish can be written similarly. Here you have to see how to write a statement or question. It is easy to distinguish between a question and a statement. The verb in an English question comes first. If it is a statement, the subject takes a place before the verb. In Spanish, the sentence is written in the same way. For example, for example, sorry, Juan is talking with the man, or Juan está hablando con el hombre. You write it in the same way when you are asking a question, with the addition of an inverted question mark before the statement, and a question mark at the end of it. The second one, more letters exist in Spanish. In Spanish, you can find 27 letters in its alphabet, with the inclusion of the ñ, while English only has 26. Basically, in Spanish, there are more sounds like vowels and consonants. Without forgetting, we had an umlaut. In Spanish is diéresis. This indicates that the letter has to be pronounced. The third one, W is a foreign letter. Would you believe that the letter W, which is included in the Spanish alphabet, is considered a foreign letter? It is only used for borrowed words. You can try searching for Spanish words that start with the letter W to see for yourself. The next is all the Spanish verbs end in only three endings. English verbs usually take many forms. In Spanish, all verbs end either with R, er, or ir. Like for example, when you say correr, llorar, corregir. Those verbs have the end R, er, or ir. The next one, order of verbs and adjectives. Here, every word has its place as a sentence or question. In English, it is customary to have the adjective before the noun because it's to modify or describe a noun. In Spanish, the adjective takes a place after the noun. It could be take some adjustment for an Spanish language learner to remember this. If the student is an English speaker, however, if the adjective is a quantifier, it should be placed before the noun. Example, the only house, it should be written as la única casa. For instance, of la casa única. The next one is the Spanish verb to be has two forms. There are two forms for the Spanish verb to be. One is ser and the other one is estar. Each is used differently when you talk about lasting or permanent attributes. You use ser. The verb is used for description such as names, relations, nationality, and physical description. You use the verb ser when you describe an occupation or what a person that spends the time, such as being a student or gardener. Ser is used to describe someone's personality or the time, year, day, month, and date. Estar is used for describing emotion, condition, action, location, and position. Like for example, when you say she is a doctor, or when you say she is beautiful. The next one is noun. In Spanish has gender. In Spanish, all nouns are masculine or feminine. The idea that nouns have gender seems perfectly natural. When the noun represents a living creature, this is because in English living creatures often have different names depending on whether they are male or female. This means in Spanish when you make difference between masculine and feminine. For example, when we say la luna, el sol, we use the article la to refer to feminine gender, and we use the article el to refer to masculine gender, while in English you only use the for both gender. For example, when you say the president, we use the president to refer to masculine and feminine. The next one is Spanish has simple negation. English has different prefixes you can use for negation, and the rule says that you should not use two negative. It should a it should be a mix of positive, sorry, and negative. In Spanish grammar rules say that it is better to use double negative. For example, when you say I don't want anything, in English it's in English it's equivalent in Spanish it's equivalent no quiero nada. The direct translation of the sentence is I don't want nothing. That shows how no and nada work together, making it easier to construct negative sentences in Spanish. The other one is the subject is sometimes omitted in Spanish. It can be difficult to memorize the different conjugations or conjugation, sorry, of Spanish verbs. However, when you understand how each conjugated form is applied, it is possible for you to omit the subject when you are speaking because you are going to understand very well the idea. The next one is The verbs, the verb, tener can be used to express one's feeling. Tener means to have. Often it is used to express a person's age, something that is attributed to you or what you are feeling right now. So, when you hear a Spanish speaker say, tengo 20 años, you are thinking in English, I have 20 years. The person is saying that he or she is 20 years old. If you are hungry, just say, tengo hambre. Or, tengo miedo, you can say, I am scared. Okay, to ending, I'm going to show you another one's different as before said. In Spanish, in English, 5 vowels. In Spanish, in English, 5 vowels but long and short. Spelled phonetically in English, not spelled phonetically. In Spanish, adjective comes before noun. In English, adjective comes after the noun. In Spanish, grammar is either masculine or feminine. Grammar is not gender based. In Spanish, alphabet is 27 letters. In English, has 24 letters or 6. Spanish In Spanish, verbs are conjugated based on the speaker. In English, verbs are conjugated based on when the action happened. Thank you.